Alright guys, before I start this video, I just want to say if you do want the full source file, including the scripts, you can go to the link in the description and get this from my Patreon. Hi guys, Aspect Type here, back again on another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can display your channel's sub count in your Roblox game, so you can display the current subscribers for your channel or anyone else's channel. Doesn't really matter, but yeah, I'm going to show you how to do this. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is grab the link from the description, which will give you my YouTube API. It'll be a model. You just want to take the model and insert it into ServerScript servers like done here. So it's the module script called YouTube API. You just want to insert this into ServerScript servers. And then the second thing you're going to do is go to developers.google.com, just like this. This will be the second link in the description, by the way. And then you come down here and you click Google API Console. So I'll leave the link to console.developers.google.com. Alright, let's get rid of this. Alright, so once you're at this link, console.developers.google.com, you want to come up to here where it says my first project, or if it doesn't say this, then you want to go to API and Services Dashboard, and then you just want to create a project. So I'm going to create a new project. I'm just going to call this testing, like this. And I'm going to create, and you can see it's creating the project testing. Just make sure you sign in with Google. That's all you need to do. And then we need to select the project. So we go to Dashboard, select project, and then testing, like this. You just want to select it, come down to credentials, and then you can see there's nothing here, so that'll be fine for now. You just want to hit create credentials at the top here, and then you want to click API key, and then it's going to create your API key, and you just want to copy this key and make sure you save it to your clipboard. I'm just going to save it in my notepad. You don't want to give anyone this API key, but you just make sure you copy it, and yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah, you don't need to tell anyone this, and click close. Alright, once you've done that, you want to type in on Google get YouTube channel ID. This will be the third link in the description, so you don't have to type this yourself. But now I'm going to go to YouTube right here, and let's search in, let's go to my channel for now. Alright, now you can see it's /channel, then it's got this, let me just, like this, and then it's got this ID at the last of the, at the end of the URL. You just want to copy this URL, this kind of big string or whatever at the end of the URL, and you want to take it and insert into here, and then you click get YouTube ID. It's going to bring up all the statistics, and you just want to copy this one here. It'll be different for different YouTube channels because sometimes they can have a custom one. For example, PewDiePie, like this, PewDiePie. You need to get his ID like this. Alright, so for now, oh god, I'm just exited the site. We're just going to take the ID, and then remember, once you've got the YouTube API inserted in the ServerScript service, what you want to do is, you can create a model, by the way. I will leave this in the description too. It'll be the fourth link. It won't have any scripts in. You can either watch the video or subscribe on Patreon for the source of the video. But yeah, what you're going to do is insert a script into the sign, and you can see for me, I've just got a title, which is going to be the title of the user, and then we've got the stats, we've got the subs, videos, and views. This is going to display the statistics. What we're first going to do is require the API from ServerScript service. So we're going to say local API equals require game.ServerScript service to YouTube API, just like this. And we're going to use wait for child. This will just make sure that it loads in correctly and the script can find it. So now what we're going to do is API set API key, just like I do. This is just basically going to authenticate your requests, so the server can go ahead and send the requests out to YouTube API. Now we're going to have another variable. We're going to call it channel name. Local channel name equals, I'm just going to say hi, because this is what the channel is. Also, there's another thing I forgot that you need to do is when you're on this site, you need to go over here to library, and then you want to search for YouTube, just like this, and then you want to hit the YouTube Data API version 3, and you just want to make sure you have this installed or enabled. So you just want to enable the API, and it's going to enable it. And then once you've done that, that's all good, and you're fine. You can go ahead and continue with the video. So now what we're going to do is local stats, and then we're going to use API get stats like this, and then what we want to pass in here is the channel ID. By the way, this is the API key. Yeah, so you want to get the channel ID of the channel that you're trying to look up. So for example, PewDiePie, I'm going to paste in his channel ID, and then here is a boolean value. So if you put true here, it means it's going to make the numbers, it's going to format them and make them small. So I'm just going to put true because PewDiePie has a large subscriber count, and we don't want to display the billions of views. We want to kind of shorten that down. So yeah, now what we're going to do is script the parent title, the text equals, sorry, it's not title, is it? Title the text label. Script the parent title the title, the text label, the text equals channel name, and then we'll do while wait 30. We'll do while wait do, and then we'll do script the parent dot stats dot subs dot text equals stats dot sub count, and then obviously we want to concatenate this up, so we'll do subscribers like that, and that's just going to display the sub count on the subs label. And then we'll do script the parent dot stats dot, we'll do views next, the text equals views, and then we'll do stats dot view count like this. Make sure you get all the capitalization correct, otherwise your script will error. And then we'll do script the parent dot stats dot subs, views, and subscriber, no, videos, sorry. So text equals videos, and then we'll do stats dot video count, just like so. And then we'll wait 30 so we don't keep requesting the API too much. And now if we run this, you should see it will work. We've got PewDiePie, we've got subscribers 104 million, views 25.4 billion, videos 4.1k. Now if I go back into the script and make this false, exit out the script, hit run, you'll see it brings a huge large number in. So yeah, that's why I did that. So if you want an accurate reading and you want to know exactly how many views, then you can keep it like this. By the way, I don't think this will be very much real time, but it will be probably like a 2-minute delay, because I think the YouTube API doesn't update instant. So yeah, that's how you do that. And to add more channels, you would obviously just duplicate the board, go back to your browser and search for another channel, for example my channel, paste in here, get the ID, so copy the ID here, go back to Studio, go inside of the model, inside of the sign, inside of the script, put it in right there, and change this channel name to aspect type, just like that. And if we hit run, you'll see we've got aspect type, subscribers 615, views 90,000, and 9 videos. And obviously if you want more channels, you just keep duplicating and stuff, and yeah, that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and consider subscribing, Also, if you do want the full source from the video so you don't need to type it out, you can hit the link in the description to my Patreon. So yeah, thanks for watching.